Good morning. My name is Naz. Today we have a very respectful and very beautiful Dr. Gazella from RML Hospital in Delhi. So we are talking about glaucoma. Ma'am, what is glaucoma and what is a
Symptom.
symbol of
Symptoms.
symptoms of glaucoma? Sorry.
Okay. So glaucoma is a disease where the eye pressure is high, and because of that, the optic nerve, which provides vision to the brain, gets slowly damaged over months or years, and because of that, the side vision keeps decreasing. So patient will not notice that the side vision is decreasing slowly. So usually there are no symptoms. That is the most important thing. Some of them may complain of decrease in vision, frequent change of glasses, very small eye pain is there, but mainly there is no symptoms, which is why it is very important to keep going for frequent checkup to eye doctor.
Okay. Ma'am, what is the sorry, why is called the silent thief of sight?
So it's the same thing which I said just now, that there are no symptoms. Just slowly, your vision will decrease from the periphery until it reaches the center, and then you will have no vision, which will be the advanced stage where nothing much can be done at that point. So, because of this, it is called silent thief of
Ma'am, is it
sight.
depend on our lifestyle or something else?
So some risk factors are there. Mainly, there is family history, means it is brought down from your parents, grandparents. But also risk factors are if you are above 40 years of age, if you have many diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and if you use steroid eye drops or steroid ointments, or if you take steroid orally on tablet, that also will increase your risk of glaucoma. Smoking also has been linked to increase in eye pressure,
Smoking.
so that is also a risk factor.
Okay. Ma'am, is it only effect on a elder one or a younger also affected by
So
this?
it can affect any age group. There are some glaucoma which you will get right after birth only. These are mainly due to some genetic problems,
Genetics.
genetics and hereditary from your parents. And then there are those even at adolescent stage or early adulthood, which can be due to genetics also, or it can be due to use of steroid, like I was saying, or if they have any history of any trauma to the eye or any surgery that they have undergone. These are also risk factors. So any age can be affected.
So, ma'am, is it prevented or not?
So the only way to prevent glaucoma is to go for regular checkup, especially if you have family history and if you have these risk factors, then you have to go for regular checkup and your eye doctor will check your eye pressure, your optic nerve, and then they will tell you to come every 6 months or every year depending on your findings.
Ma'am, those who are suffering from glaucoma, so how can they manage or what can they do?
So if they have very early glaucoma, then they will have lots of good vision. They will just have to go for regular checkup and use the eye drops regularly as advised by the ophthalmologist. Then those who have moderate and advanced, they will have lesser visual field. So they may need to go to some low vision or rehabilitation center where they will advise them on how to make use of their remaining vision. And that is a very huge topic where they will teach you how to go about in the house or when you're going outside the house, how you will navigate with this less vision.
Thank you. Ma'am, how often should one get an eye checkup to ensure early detection of glaucoma?
So it is better to go yearly,
Yeah.
and especially if you have these risk factors, then your ophthalmologist will guide you to how to come. Maybe lesser than 1 year, 6 to 9 monthly, but otherwise yearly.
So, ma'am, what are the options to treat a glaucoma?
So glaucoma is treated by lasers or by medication, or if these two things don't work, then there are surgeries now.
Okay.
Newer surgeries. We have older surgeries also still available, but newer surgeries are also there where there are lesser complications.
So, ma'am, is it a serious disease or not?
Yes, it is a serious disease because it can lead to complete blindness.
Blindness.
So you have to be aware of the disease and go for regular checkup.
So, how can we take care?
So one is this regular checkup which I said, and if you have the disease, you have to follow the treatment of putting eye drops, or if the doctor advises you laser or surgery, you have to follow that, or you have to reduce risk factors like leading a healthy lifestyle, to avoid smoking, and many things are there which, if you do, the eye pressure will rise. Like some people used to drink 1 liter of water early in the morning as soon as they get up. So that should not be done, as it will increase the eye pressure. And some yoga poses are also there. If you put your head down, then also your eye pressure may go up.
So, ma'am, which kind of main symptom comes in glaucoma in eyes?
So mostly no symptoms, I said, but otherwise very few symptoms are there, which can be eye pain, redness, or frequent change of glasses.
Sometimes when people have a redness in their eyes, they are using a rose water or like a honey. So is it good for them or not?
No, that is not good for them. If they have any redness, especially frequent redness, they should visit an ophthalmologist.
Okay, ma'am, is there any other advice you want to give us?
No, I think this. Avoid your risk factors and go to regular checkup.
Okay, thank you so much for coming here and give us such a good awareness for us. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So,